Hey guys, Henning from FlippedNormals here. I'm incredibly excited to present to you the FlippedNormals Eye Kit. The Eye Kit works for both VFX and Games and provides you with instant realistic eyes for everything from super close-ups to really distant shots. The real magic of eyes comes in the iris, and we spent a lot of effort making sure they have been created right. We made them by hand sculpting them from scratch, providing incredible detail. It comes in 6 colors: blue, brown, dark brown, green, grey and hazel, and 2 versions of the sclera, which is the white of the eye, providing you with really a lot of control. You can of course roll a hue shift all the eyes around as well, providing you with even more control. We're providing maps from 512 to all the way to 4K, which should really work for any situation. It's pre-made for V-Ray for Maya, Arnold for Maya, Modo, Blender and Marmoset. And if you want to use it in a different software, you can easily do that as well with the provided FBX and OBJ files, which you can simply drag into your software and plug in the maps. You'll now be able to get instant realistic eyes for all your characters, whether you're working in film or in games. We are more than excited to see what you'll come up with the FlippedNormals Eye Kit. So if you make something awesome with it, let us know. We would absolutely love to see what you create.